Number 1. Chicken Parmigiana. You can get this chicken Parmigiana from any supermarkets like Woolworth, Coles. It is very cheap. It costs only $2. So you can bring it home and then you can cook it in microwave. It just takes you around 3 minutes to cook it. To cook Parmigiana, you need a schnitzel, nap sauce, Napolitana sauce is the full form, some salt, and we need to put cheese on the top. Microwave it for 2 minutes. Number 2 is a loaded potatoes. For that, you just need a good size of potato, and then you need to make a line in the middle. You need to cut it. Just like that. Make sure it is halfway deep. The cut is. Get a microwaving container. Then place that potatoes inside the container. Add water. Almost it meant to cover the potato like that. Okay, it's like a small pressure cooker, so we're going to microwave for 5 minutes. Some salt and pepper and cheese. Again, cook it in microwave for 1 minute. Number 3 is rice. You can cook a cup of rice, add 2.5 cups of water, put the lid on, make sure it is very well sealed, cook it for 8 minutes. You can see the rice is ready now. It's cooked perfect. Number 4 is the cupcake. For that, you need half a cup of flour, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg, half a cup of water. You need to mix it very well. Gram of chocolate chips. Get a clean cup. Pour cupcake batter in the cup. Put more chocolate chips in. Cook it in Microwave for 4 minutes. Number 5 is scrambled egg. For that you need 2 eggs, some salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of thickened cream. Whisk it until it becomes smooth. Get a takeaway container. Pour that scrambled egg mix into the container. And cover it. Microwave it for 1.5 minutes.